Welcome to PowerAssist channel. Today we'll see how to create records into CDS from a Canvas application. For this demo purpose, I have already created an entity called registrations. Let us get started. We can create records into CDS in two ways. One is using out of the box forms control. Second one is using patch function. In this demo, we'll see how to create records into CDS using forms control. For that, let's get started and quickly add a form. So to add form control, we need to go to Insert tab and select form. So once the form is selected, we need to add the required entity to this particular form to create records into CDS. So I am selecting registrations entity. Once this particular entity is added to the Canvas application, we need to go to the data source of the form and choose the data source as registration. And I'm going to remove unnecessary or not required fields. I'm going to add the fields which are required. I'm going to select the required fields. Yes, we are good. And to have a better UA, I am going to select the number of columns as 2. And I am going to change the view. So I am going to move the phone number to up. Okay, now we are going to add a button to proceed to submission. So I have taken a button. I am going to change the name to submit. And I'm going to change then the button control name, button submit. On the button select, we are going to submit the form. Submit form is a control which automatically creates or update records in the CDS from the object which is available in the form control. And now let us test this. I'm going to play this app. Surprisingly, if you see, it is showing no data to display. So if you observe, the current form mode is selected as edit. It means that the form is expecting a record to be mapped to show that particular records are items information. Currently, we are creating a new item. That's why it is showing no item to display. So since we updated this particular default mode to new, we can able to submit the form. Let us see that. Yes. And once we submitted, we don't have or we don't see, we haven't observed any success confirmation. So in order to validate or in order to show the success confirmation, let us proceed to update that. And for that, I have created a screen, a dummy screen called success screen. Let us add some information here. So for that, I am going to take a label. Registration was successful. Registration ID. Let us change the font size to have a better view. And since it's a success, I am going to change it to just to have just showing some. And to get back to the previous screen, our home screen, let us add a home button to navigate user to the home button. On this button, I am going to use navigate option, which allows us to navigate from one screen to another screen. So I'm going to select home screen. Now let us go to home screen from here itself and we'll see. Still it is showing no item to display, even though our particular form mode is set as new. This is because this particular form already holding the submitted records information. So we need to clear that particular object's data. For that, let's go back to the home screen, success screen from which we are navigating to home screen. And before this, we will reset the form. Reset form 3. I'm going to rename the form to have a better readability. But now let us try this. Yes, it is working. Form registration. Now let us validate this. Now, in order to redirect user to success message, we have out of the box functionality or option called on success. On success of this particular form submission, we can navigate user to a respective screen. In our case, it is success screen, so I have chosen success screen. Let us test this. Once we submit this, and this has been successfully redirected user to success screen. And let us see how to add or show the list of registrations available. For that, we can choose, we have two options in order to show the data in a table. One is gallery, one is data table. I am going to choose gallery, and I am selecting the data source or items to this particular gallery as registrations. Now, when we select the items for this gallery with a specific data source, automatically some of the fields get added. So now let us change with our required information. Now let us add a home button to navigate user to home button, home screen. In similar note, we are going to redirect user to home screen and we are choosing navigate. Since we haven't come to this screen from success screen where we reset the form, it is still showing that. So in order to fix this, we will write this on visible. Here, let us add an icon to see the list of records or registrations. I am going to choose this particular icon in order to show the list of registrations submitted. And on this particular button selection, I am going to navigate. registrations scheme. So let us test this. Now if you go back, it is showing the form again, so it is getting reset.